Hi everyone, welcome back to the Daniella method. Today we're going to talk about two of the most powerful and debated frequencies in sound healing, 528 Hz and 432 Hz. Now, some people say one is better than the other. What does the science actually say? And do you really have to choose just one? Let's find out. Let's start with 432 Hz. This frequency is often called the natural harmony frequency. It's said to align with the vibration of nature and the Earth's resonance. Many listeners describe feeling grounded, balanced, and relaxed when they hear music tuned to 432 Hz. Scientifically, it's linked to lowering stress and helping the body find a steady flow. It's the sound of calm. Now, let's look at 528 Hz. This one is often called the miracle frequency or even the DNA repair frequency. Research suggests it may help with cell regeneration, emotional healing, and positive transformation. Many listeners say it gives them energy, a sense of renewal, and even feelings of love or inner peace. It's the sound of transformation and uplift. So, which is better, 432 Hz or 528 Hz? This is where the debate begins. Some people argue that 432 Hz is the only natural frequency, while others insist that 528 Hz is the true healing frequency. But here's the truth. Both are simply different tuning choices. Science shows that different frequencies can affect us in different ways, and neither cancels out the other. Instead of choosing sides, think of it this way. 432 Hz and 528 Hz are like two different tools in the same toolbox. Each has its own benefits. 432 Hz is grounding, calming, and great for focus. 528 Hz is energizing, healing, and great for transformation. Just like you might drink tea when you need a calm or a smoothie when you need energy, both frequencies nourish you, just in different ways. So when should you use each one? 432 Hz is perfect for studying, meditating, or attracting abundance, times when you want peace and flow. 528 Hz is perfect for beauty, healing, boosting confidence, or emotional renewal. My advice? Experiment with both and let your body tell you what it needs in that moment. So the truth is, you don't have to choose between 432 Hz and 528 Hz. Both have unique benefits, and together they can support every area of your well-being. If you'd like to try them for yourself, check out my subliminals and explainers here on the Daniella method. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe, and share it with someone who's curious about these powerful frequencies.